Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we're getting a little bit of pop in the bean markets this morning, up about 9 to 12 cents. It's lifting corn up 2 cents and wheat up 1 to 3 cents. And this morning, one of the weather forecasters took a look at the rain event over the next 2 to 3 days, and it sounds like he's taking some of the amounts of moisture down a little bit from his previous forecast, which is helping the beans. Most other weather forecasters, though, see a really good rain event, 70% coverage of 1/2 to 1.5 inch locally, 2-inch rains across the key growing areas of the Midwest over the next 3 days. So it's a little bit of dueling forecast today that's affecting prices. Yesterday I was in central Illinois, near Normal, Illinois, and took a look at some crops there. And a little bit north of that area, they've missed rains over the last 3 to 4 weeks, and you can see a little bit of stress in the corn. Beans look great, a lot of pods. The ears are big. These rains, I think, are needed in those areas to help fill those pods and also put a little test weight on the corn crop. So this is a pretty critical rain event for prices. Other than that, I think the market over the next 3 weeks wants confirmation that yields are going to get better than USDA's August corn and soybean yield estimate, and that will take us to another leg lower in prices. One of the things that we were talking to farmers down there about maybe selling futures here and buying some calls above the market in case we take that leg lower. That could actually pay for the calls down the road and give a little revenue for the crops at these lower price levels. Down the road, we might be able to be buying some puts in the beans in case the big crop gets bigger. And also further down the road, we might be trading some options to try to add revenues in the 2015 campaign if prices go lower and stay lower for the next year or so. Outside markets, it was noted that commodity prices in general are at 6-month lows, led by the grains, cotton, and also Brent crude is lower. We've also taken some of the higher levels off the meat markets, and some people blame this on the slowdown in the economy in Europe, the fact that the factory outputs in China is slowing down, and also that in general commodity supplies are ample to adequate at this time. So we'll have to watch the money flow and see if it continues to leak out of the long side of the commodity markets. So we're in a weather market. We're going to have to watch these rain events over the next 3 days, get confirmation of the yields, and then see where prices go from there. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
It's 126, 169.79. I'm selling as DC.